Welcome back. So here very important update that we will see here, friends, by Mr. Mohan P working very hard. So 10th BPS joint note by Mr. Mohan P, bank pensioners. So at the cost of repetitions, let me clarify that merger of CPI 8088 and the changes in the CPI series to base year 2016 as 100, उसके क्या consequences रहने वाले हैं. So instead of existing 1960 as 100, is yet to take place for the pensioners prior to 1st November 2022, and I had already provided illustrations on the impact on such mergers to 5th to the 11th BPS joint note. So that is why it's important. So pensioners earlier same is kept under residual issues. Now unions expect the same would be extended to all the past pensioners too, as in the case of employees and the pensioners under the 12th BPS. So यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स आप देख सकते हैं एक छोटा सा चार्ट है. The calculation 10th BPS basic 24960, DR at 117.10, that comes out to be 29,228, gross pension 54,188. So on merger CPI 8088 points, that is 91.20. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखें amount to merge is 22764, so notional BP will come out to be 47,724 and DR at 15.73, because अभी DR थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है, so 7507. So revised gross pension will be 55,231 and the difference comes out to be 1043. जो दोस्तों डिफरेंस है वो 1043 का यहाँ पे निकल के आ रहा है. So for your understandings, I have attached details pertaining to basic pension of 24,960, that is the 10th BPS. So ex gratia 2 may be there. You may also note that through this process the benefit arrived may be not much. Regards, Mr. Mohan P. So here you can see the main thing, जो 8088 पॉइंट्स का मर्जर का जो डिफरेंस है उसके जो बेनिफिट्स हैं वो उतने नहीं हैं दोस्तों. तो एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ रेपिटेशन जो मर्जर ऑफ CPI 8088 है एंड उसका जो इफेक्ट पड़ता है लास्ट में, दैट वी हैव सीन दैट इज just 1043. The difference is not that much, that is just 1043. So kindly share this important update and if possible support us by clicking the join button and by subscribing to the channel, friends, for the latest banking and pension related updates के लिए यहाँ पे चैनल को यूँ सब्सक्राइब करें. So with this, that's all for this session, and share this important update, the merger effect of 8088 points का क्या मर्जर इम्पैक्ट है. वो ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं कर रहा क्रिएट जितना उसे करना चाहिए था. सो इट मे बी इन द एयर दैट वो काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट डाल रहा है, बट इन द ग्राउंड ऑन द ग्राउंड वो उतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं डाल रहा. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस सेशन. बाय बाय, टेक केयर ऑल फ्रेंड्स.